I thought I'd give you a quick tour of my new office layout. I know this is probably the 20th time I've changed it, and I'm pretty sure this will be the last time. I've managed to kick my son out of the room, so he's now got his own area. So I've got my study room back, and I've now tried to make it be more practical, especially from a YouTube content creation point of view. Sometimes when you keep recording just from your desk, it gets a little bit boring, and I have tried to move around the house. I've decided it's far easier if I was to just find different zones in my study room how I could record. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of the room and how I'm going to be positioning myself in the future. The first off from the room, if I just flip the camera, if you remember, in fact, you can probably see that I am recording using the DJI Pocket 4. I'm still getting used to this camera. Seems okay, but I'm not going to lie and say it completely pleases me completely. There are some stuff about it I don't like. Anyway, look. You come into my room, there's my cat tree. You can see my cats are probably, there you go, there's one of them there. There's Snickers. And on the shelf over there, you can just see Coco. I do love having those doors there because I can step in and out. Anyway, look, here's my room. Okay, here's my gym equipment. So I can at any time stop working, just do a bit of weights or training or whatever. And this helps to keep me healthy. And of course, for those of you that know me, you'll know that underneath my desk, you can just see the stepper. I pull that out, I raise the desk up, and then I go and do my exercises while I'm working. Here's my desk, here's where I like to work. Got my two lights, that's my key light over there, and that's my fill light, my two monitors, Mac Mini M2 Pro. Got my Sony ZV-E10 Mark II camera just over there. Keyboard layout, etc. So this layout is normally when I'm recording, you're going to see this as my backdrop. And at the moment, I have got the curtains open, so it's very well lit. Normally, it'll be a lot darker. I've got a light up there that you will just see. Got a light down here. And I've got one just behind the YouTube thingy plaque over there as well. But not very strong. When you are watching videos with me where you're going to see this as the backdrop, it's quite dark because I have my curtain over there pulled across, and then I'll have these curtains closed as well. These are soundproofing, blackout, blockout curtains. And I've got one just over my door. It's not a full-size curtain. I do need to get a full size. But when I'm recording, I'll shut the door a bit and I'll pull that over just so that I don't get like reverberation in the room. But the idea is my first recording zone will be over here. So that's what you'll see as the backdrop. Then I may pull out my chair and sort of record sat here. So you can see my backdrops. The camera will be positioned something like that. Probably won't see the underside because I know that might irritate some people who don't like to see loads of wires. But that will be my backdrop. Then I will have this other backdrop over here. So I may be sat somewhere sort of like this position. Again, the curtains will be closed. I'll have probably some extra light that will be somewhere in this direction as a key light. Or I might even open the curtains a bit depending on the time of day. Because if it's quite, you know, like a dull day, or even if it's a nice bright day and it's not overexposing me in terms of how much light creeps in, I might have that. And then another location is that I could even be stood over here, for instance. Maybe if I decide to have like a flip board. Let me just position my camera. So I could be stood somewhere here in front over here. In fact, I'll show you what I mean. So just to give you an idea, I could be sat somewhere like this doing a video recording. I could also be sat over here doing something like down in this zone. You can see how we get a bit of variety with the background layout. I could also be stood over here. Maybe I've got a flip board. Maybe I haven't got a flip board. But like I said, traditionally, this is what you're going to be used to probably seeing when I am recording. I mean, it won't be, curtains will be closed, like I said, but it's going to be something like, in fact, it'll be further back because the camera's further back. But this is me playing around with different layouts. And I think I've got so much freedom and flexibility in my room right now. I think I'm quite lucky. I don't know about you, but if I just show you, if I back up to the corner of my room, obviously, you can see some Amazon boxes on the floor there. That leads out into the old lounge. My son is over in that corner over there. But I've got a lot of flexibility in what I can do here now. So I've got almost 4 possibly even 5 recording zones. And I could even step out if I wanted to into the category as well. I think I'm quite lucky with what I've got. And I am starting to feel much happier now in my room. Do you like the layout? Do you not like the layout? Do you like the fact that I'm gonna mix it up with the recording zones? Do you not care? I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Take care. See you soon. Bye.